The 28th of June marks the death anniversary of one of Assam's greatest cultural icons, Kolaguru Vishnu Prasad Rabha. The day is observed across the state with great respect and enthusiasm as Vishnu Rabha Divas. Kolaguru Vishnu Prasad Rabha was a versatile personality, an artist, poet, writer, playwright, musician, dancer, painter, and freedom fighter. Born on 31st January 1909, he made remarkable contributions to Assamese art, literature, music, and culture, helping introduce Assam's rich cultural heritage to the wider world. He was conferred the title Kalaguru by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was deeply impressed by Rabha's performance of the Nataraja dance at Banaras Hindu University. Vishnu Prasad Rabha passed away on 28th of June 1969 in Tezpur. Every year, the government of Assam, educational institutions, and various social and cultural organizations commemorate the day by organizing seminars, discussions, Rabha Sangeet performances, award ceremonies, and other cultural events to honor his immense contributions. With the active participation of all the students and the dedicated support of our teachers, our Niketan remembers and pays tribute to that great personality today. Due to a lack of time, I could not complete all the editing, so the upload was delayed. Nevertheless, I have shared these precious memories on my profile to preserve them with care, and I am delighted to share them with all of you as well.
বাদ্যযন্ত্ৰ আদি বিষয়সমূহত নিপুণ আছিল। তেওঁ আছিল একাধাৰে গায়ক, গীতিকাৰ, সুৰকাৰ, নৃত্যকাৰ, চিত্ৰকৰ আদি গুণৰ অধিকাৰী। এইজন মহান ব্যক্তিৰ গাত ইমানবোৰ গুণ দেখি ডক্টৰ সৰ্বপল্লী ৰাধাকৃষ্ণদেৱে তেওঁক 1940 চনত কলাগুৰু উপাধি প্ৰদান কৰিছিল আৰু তেতিয়াৰ